Most traders are late to NVDA, but here's the safer entry. Now, when day trading this, we have to be aware of the fact that we are in the construction of a range. So we're looking for equal rotation below as is above. So in this instance, we're actually looking for the market to rotate all the way back up to this prior high, which is pretty close to that 193.5 level, okay? Now, you have to be very, very cautious if you're thinking about buying at this point because you are way too high and at actual levels of resistance. So what should actually happen once we do get to this level is a rejection. Now, typically the case would be that this is a GNR pattern as we look to now rotate all the way back down to the prior low. Again, exacerbating the fact and idea that you don't want to buy too high in this market as it currently sits. Now, if we do go directly higher, there is an opportunity and a way to buy, but we will have to break away from this structure at hand. So if you do notice that we break well into like the 195 area and continue to go up on strength, then that will kind of, at least in the shorter term, change the momentum to being a buy, okay? So in this situation, you just want to be patient, wait for that nice deep pullback, and then look for a retest of the prior high as the market now is clearly rotating in a trend going higher. So then again, in this particular situation, don't buy as it pushes up, wait for the pullback to give you a nice low entry to get more of the overall move as it looks to rotate back up, okay? Now, besides this buying opportunity, I think the better opportunity would be to actually buy this off the low here. Because again, we are in a range and we're essentially rotating from highs to lows back up to the prior high. So once we do get down to that 189 level or 190 level, we should actually be looking for a bullish bounce, which leads me to the second bull case variation, in which we get a mini or twin variation that essentially just keeps the rotation going back to the upside, okay? Now, there's obviously a few different other concepts that can happen in tomorrow's session, but I think that these are the three most popular and most highly percentage chances of happening. And if anything else happens, then we will just have to act accordingly, okay? So again, everyone, hopefully you can make some cash with this information, and I will see you all on the next candle.